Ready to dive headfirst into the Solana ecosystem and snag some crypto directly through your Phantom wallet? First things first, make sure you've got Phantom wallet installed and ready to roll on your phone or browser if you haven't already. Download it from the official Phantom website. See that big Inviting Buy button right there on your main screen? That's your golden ticket. Tap it. This screen unveils the crypto playground. Here, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can purchase directly through Phantom. Solana's native token, SOL, is a popular choice, as are stablecoins like USDC. Let's say you want to buy some SOL. Tap on SOL, and you will see a screen to enter the amount you want to buy. Enter the amount in your desired currency, say USD. Now, Phantom will show you a list of payment providers like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay, enabling payments with your debit card, credit card, or even bank transfer. Select your payment provider. You'll be redirected to the selected payment provider's interface where you'll need to input your payment information, whether it is your card or bank account credentials. Double-check everything to ensure the details of purchased crypto and amount to be paid aligns with your intention. Click Pay. Voila! The payment provider processes your transaction. Once confirmed, you'll see your new crypto appear in your Phantom wallet. Enjoy being a part of the Solana ecosystem.